And we made it! Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Team Palablab. And it's me again, me, myself, and I, welcoming you to Lisbon, Portugal! For today's video guys, ay mag-e-explore tayo dito sa city center ng Lisbon. As you can see guys, marami ng mga malalaking building at saka yung mga monumento dyan. Oh, ayan, di ba? Ang problema ngayon, di ko alam kung anong pangalan, kaya magre-research muna tayo guys. At dahil mabilis akong mag-research, eto na ang Did You Know Facts natin. Ayan, ang trivia. Nako, malapit pala tayo sa dagat guys. Dito naman walang Spider-Man ang magaganap, kundi sirenahan tayo guys. Sirena tayo dyan. Ayan. We made it early to Lisbon guys kasi, syempre, maaga tayong dumating kasi nga early. At saka, ayan na kami dyan sa Lisbon City Center. Yung namang bridge guys, it reminded me of when we were in San Francisco by yung Golden Gate Bridge. Ayan, nakalimutan ko na tuloy ang Did You Know Facts. So, unahin na natin yung church, okay? Did you know the Lisbon Cathedral is almost 900 years old? It survived earthquakes, pirate attacks, and even kings' weddings. No wonder locals call it the city's time traveler. Let's move on guys to this iconic Tram 28. Ayan, the tram that passes in front of the cathedral. So did you know Tram 28 is like a moving time machine? It's been carrying passengers through Lisbon's narrow streets since the 1930s. And it still has its old wooden seats and vintage charm. Kaya lang hindi kami nakasakay. Ha ha ha. Dami kasing tao guys. And this made my day. Smile, you are in the happy street. So, ayan nating smile. So, do you know where you're going to? Yun yung tanong ko kay Palablab kasi di namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Kaya, nag-iikot-ikot lang kami. Paikot-ikot until, ayan, meron naman silang, parang convent yata yan. Di ko maalalas. But don't worry, there's no Did You Know Facts about that. But we stumbled upon this flea market. Ayan, napakalaking flea market nila dito sa Lisbon. So, may vitamins na naman tayo sa ating mga mata. Ang daming mga Portuguese products, mga second-hand clothing. Hindi na kami nangukay guys kasi parang, hindi naman namin kailangan yan guys. So, pero nakakano ba yung mga artwork nila, yung mga paintings. Gusto ko sanang bumili para nga sa bahay ba, pang decoration. Pero sabi ko, ay, wag na lang kasi di pa natin alam kung, yun nga, kung bagay sa bagong bahay. Buyers!